Alright, what is going on, guys? So today we are starting out a video here in the garage. We already got the GT500 jacked up. So I have had this issue since I picked the car up at the dealership. I got on 295 in Jacksonville and a tire pressure light came on. Fortunately, these Firehawks, Indy, whatever they are, have a nail in them. We just tried to patch it. It's not really holding. So we are forced to put on our two-piece Forgestar wheels. And I don't have fronts yet, but Don is trying to get the fronts so that I can have a matching set. I'll have the BMR suspension in very soon, and we'll lower it down, be hooking better, looking better. So I also want to do a fuel filter today, since we did have some problems with fuel once we started pushing this thing. So we're going to start there and see where that goes. So we got this bad boy here. Oh, did we leave the, yeah, we left the screw there. But we had a pretty good size screw, like this big. Nice, good size in it. So GT500 wheel is out on reserves now. It does hold air, but it is leaking out a little bit. But we do have these mean Forgestars here. I did have to pick up some new spline lug nuts to run these. Now I could put my 305. I have a 305 3520. Which is right there, the Mickey Thompson Street SS drag rails. But I want to wait until I get some new 20-inch wheels, and then we can switch over to those. As you guys know, I have a tire stack at all times. But we're going to be running the Forgestars for a bit. Stock GT500 fronts. These will hook better, since they are 315, 40, 18, and T05Rs, and they look pretty sick. I just wish I had a matching front set. Alright, so we did have to get new lug nuts. One for these wheels, and two, the factory ones are kind of swollen. It's very common. Obviously these got a little torn up when we were taking off, but they get swollen after a while, and you just gotta toss them away. Replace them after a while. This thing's a 2014. Wow, that was really loud. That was my luck. So Forgestar M14s, I think. These things are so sick. Legit wheels. I just need fronts. I need fronts, and this thing will look killer, especially once we're lowered down on the new springs and control arms. We have a lot of suspension goodies coming for this. Lower it down. We need low. Oh, come on, give her. Okay.
That's all the beans.
That's all the beans. We need low. We need low.
Oh man, that is a big gap.
Yep.
Still looks good though.
All right, so we also got my new fuel filter. Nice Wix filter. The fuel filter is right about this area on the car, and we're gonna go ahead and replace that, and hopefully that fixes fuel issue. We won't really know, but we also have a way to test the pumps. Justin gave me a little thing, so we might try that too. All right, so we're under the driver's side. The fuel tank is actually right there, right under the passenger seat, and the fuel filter is right in this covered section, so I'm just gonna pop off this cover and then get to the fuel filter. So we emptied it out of fuel, and so flow here, exit out there. These things don't have any sort of check valve or anything like that. So you can see that we can fill it up. That's full. Unless it's being forced through there, it's not coming out. And then hear this. It's not even coming out the flow side. And you can see that the arrow is flowing that way. These are supposed to be pretty much free flowing, you know. I mean, I could even. You know, that's definitely clogged, right?
Human fuel pump.
That's definitely clogged.
Yeah, that's pretty clogged.
Yeah, because they're supposed to, you know, flow through nice and easy. So we just primed it, has no leaks, and the fuel pump sounds significantly more healthier because we did have a little bit of like pulsing. Honestly, I don't even know if you guys can hear that. It primes right away. Sounds way healthier. So I think we're doing good. Space. Don't see any cops. We'll wait until that pavement up there. Do a 30 roll. Ready? Yep. It's rowdy?
Holy shit. Wow.
Alright, now that the tires are warmed up.
Yep.
Will it hook?
It fucking hooked.
It hooked.
Wow.
It glazed second slightly.
Yeah. Wow, dude.
That feels good.
I'm happy.
It feels good. We got nice AFR all the way through. I was just checking to make sure it wasn't too rich, because if it was essentially tuned with too much clock, but these systems are pretty smart, so I just make sure it wasn't too rich. But we look solid. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video on the GT500. We did get the fuel filter fixed and we got the Forgestars on the car. Unfortunately, it looks like that tire's got a leak, but these hook a lot better. So we're going to be bringing the car back over to VMP and shooting for that 700 wheel horsepower mark. So if you are excited, make sure you drop a comment down below. If you haven't already, pick up a Mustang Lifestyle key tag. We also have a lot of Turdzilla key tags left over. I just found a bunch. So if you want to pick those up, they are available on the website. We also have the regular ones and the decals. So that stuff helps support everything we do. And I have so many exciting things coming for the GT500 that you guys are going to be really excited for. So thanks to Derek for helping me out today, and we will be visiting VMP very shortly for this dyno session, and then we got so much more. I mean, we got long tubes, we got cams, we got blower, we got so much coming. So I hope you guys are excited. Make sure you share your favorite GT500 video on social media, everywhere, with friends, stuff like that, because this car is helping grow the channel, and it's allowing me to make so much more awesome content every day with you guys. So, and we will see you guys in the next one. See you later.